Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Abu Jahl said, "Does Muhammad place his face on the earth before you?" It was said, "Yes." He whereupon said, "By Lat and Uzza, two false deities. If I see him doing so, I will trample on his neck or smear his face with dust. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu forbid." Then when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was performing the prayer, he went close to him and intended to trample on his neck. No sooner did he move forward than he at once retreated and tried to repel something with his hands. He was asked, "What happened to you?" He said, "There were a ditch of fire, terror and wings between him and me." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "If he had come close to me, the angels alayhimus salam would have torn him to pieces." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu thereupon revealed these words. We do not know whether it is in Hazrat Abu Hurairah's hadith or something conveyed to him by some other source. Translation: Yes, undoubtedly, man transgresses because he thought himself self-sufficient. Undoubtedly, unto your Lord is the return. Well, you see him who forbids a bondsman of ours when he offers prayer. Well, you see if he would have been on guidance, or he would have commanded piety. What a good thing it had been. Well, you see, if you belied and turned back. Abu Jahl. Then what would be his condition? Did he not know that Allah is seeing? Yes, if he desisted not, we will assuredly drag him by catching his forelock hairs. Forelock of what type? Lying, sinful. Now let him call his association. Just now we call our guards. Yes, near him not and prostrate and draw near to us. Surah Alaq, verse 6 to 18. Sahih Muslim, Hadith number 6996.